Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Bank of America password. First you have to go to bankofamerica.com, and from here the only way is click on forget ID or password. This will help you to reset your password, but you must need to know all the details and the information about your account. After clicking on forget the ID or password, you will find this type of interface where you just need to enter your card or account number. You must need to enter the last 6 digit, then the SSN, that means the social security number of your account that you have saved in your account. Then simply click on continue. Then they will verify your identification that you are forgetting your password, you are resetting your password of your own account. Successfully verify you after a successfully verification process, you can reset your password. You can enter your new password, then confirm your new password, then save your password. Then that's how you can reset your password of your Bank of America account. You can also contact your nearby Bank of America branch to reset your password. They might ask your ID card or any valid document that issued by your government that you verify your account with. So carry the document with you, and also you can contact them by their support page, or you can connect with a representative of a Bank of America through their hotline number. Then you can tell them that you want to reset your account's password. Then they will help you out through this problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.